Check out that difference. That's the gap between smart money investors and the average investor. It's pretty significant, wouldn't you say? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart money. These are the big institutions and investors who consistently outperform the market. But why should you care? Because their insights can be a goldmine of information and guide you towards powerful investment opportunities. This isn't about average investment strategies, this is about decoding the playbook of the elite, the so-called smart money investors who consistently outpace the market. Smart money investors don't just throw darts at a board, they look for companies that exhibit resilience and potential for substantial growth. The golden trio for these investors includes robust financials, a history of consistent performance, and a moat of competitive advantages that fend off competitors. Recognizing such companies isn't just about understanding numbers, but foreseeing future market trends and consumer behaviors. In an era where market volatility is the norm, the attractiveness of stability cannot be overstated. Companies with strong, healthy balance sheets and clear, achievable future plans provide a beacon of reliability that is incredibly compelling to smart money investors. By focusing on these attributes, investors can align themselves with firms capable of not just surviving but thriving in fluctuating markets. Now, let's reveal 6 of those giants that smart money is heavily invested in for 2024. Stock number 1 is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, a behemoth in the tech industry, has secured its reign through Azure, its expansive cloud computing service. Azure is not just a product but a pivotal element of Microsoft's long-term strategy, providing businesses with the tools necessary to operate in a digital-first world. With initiatives like the Surface devices and Xbox, Microsoft continues to diversify its offerings, ensuring multiple streams of revenue that safeguard its market position against any economic tides. The company's ability to stay at the forefront of technology innovation makes it a top pick for investors looking for security and growth, proving that even giants can keep up with the times. Second stock on the list is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple's logo is globally recognized, but it's the ecosystem that truly locks users in. From iPhones to MacBooks, each product is a gateway to another, creating a web of devices that's hard to escape. This strategy not only ensures continued sales, but also an incredibly loyal customer base. Furthermore, Apple's ventures into augmented reality and other emerging technologies signal its refusal to rest on its laurels. The company is poised to redefine tech experiences, potentially opening up new markets and opportunities. Investing in Apple means betting on a company that has consistently reimagined and reshaped the technology landscape, often leading where others can only follow. Third stock is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J Johnson & Johnson, healthcare and beyond. In the complex world of healthcare, Johnson & Johnson stands out with its broad array of products ranging from pharmaceuticals to medical devices and consumer goods. This diversification not only cushions the company against sector-specific downturns, but also allows it to capitalize on multiple growth opportunities. Its commitment to innovation, coupled with a robust distribution network, ensures that it remains a staple in the investment portfolios of those looking for both safety and growth. Johnson & Johnson's role in global healthcare is expansive, making it a smart choice for smart money looking for enduring value. Fourth stock on the list is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. Walmart has revolutionized retail by marrying its colossal physical presence with an aggressive online strategy. Its ability to offer a plethora of services, from grocery pickup to a vast e-commerce platform, sets it apart in an industry rife with competition. The company's investment in technology to streamline operations and improve customer experience underscores its commitment to staying at the top. For investors, Walmart represents a fusion of traditional retail strengths with modern tech-driven efficiencies. Walmart's strategy shows a clear path for growth and adaptability, essential qualities in the fast-evolving retail sector. Fifth stock is Procter Gamble, ticker symbol PG. Procter & Gamble, with its portfolio of ubiquitous brands, stands as a testament to the power of everyday necessity. Brands like Tide, Pampers, and Gillette are not just products. They are integral parts of daily life for millions. The company's focus on constant innovation ensures that these brands evolve with consumer preferences, maintaining their relevance and market dominance. Investing in Procter & Gamble is akin to choosing a steady ship in the tumultuous seas of the market, where the demand for its products rarely wanes even in economic downturns. Sixth and final stock on the list is Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOG. Alphabet's empire, spearheaded by Google, dominates the digital landscape. Google is not just a search engine but a cornerstone of the internet itself. With ventures into AI, autonomous vehicles, and other cutting-edge technologies, Alphabet is setting the stage for the next technological revolution. Alphabet's ability to innovate and scale its innovations makes it an attractive investment for those looking to benefit from the growth of digital and technological realms. By betting on Alphabet, investors are essentially investing in the future of technology, a sector that shows no signs of slowing down. These six giants not only define their respective industries, but are also defining how smart money moves in the market. By understanding their strategies and strengths, investors can make more informed decisions, potentially mirroring the success of the most adept players in the field. Did any of these companies excite you? Remember to like the video, subscribe for more investment insights, and tell us in the comments which company you believe has the most potential. Let's leverage smart money strategies for our own investing journeys.